Welcome! In this topic, we will talk about the different versions of Python. The evolution of Python is a story of continuous improvement and adaptation to meet the needs of developers. Each major version of Python has introduced significant enhancements and features, making the language more powerful. Let's take a look at the key milestones in Python's development. Python 1.x. Here, X stands for any minor or micro version within the 1.x series. But before going into different versions of Python, let's understand version numbering. The version numbering in Python follows a major.minor.micro format, where major indicates a major release with potentially significant changes that might not be backward compatible. Minor represents updates that introduce new features while maintaining backward compatibility. Whereas micro denotes bug fixes and minor improvements that do not add new features but enhance stability and performance. For example, in the version 1.5.2, 1 is the major version, 5 is the minor version, and 2 is the micro version. Python 1.0. It was the first official release of Python, introducing core concepts like exception handling, functions, and the basic data types like list, dictionaries, and strings. This version laid the foundation for Python's clean and readable syntax. Then it comes Python 1.5. This release brought important enhancements, including the str.format method, which provided a flexible way to format strings. Then going forward, we had version 2.x, in which we have major version as Python 2.0, which was a landmark. Growing pains and improvements, Python 2.0, a landmark release that introduced list comprehensions, garbage collection, and full support for Unicode. These features significantly enhance Python's capabilities and performance. Then it comes Python 2.7, which was the final version of the 2.x series. Python 2.7 included features aimed at easing the transition to Python 3. It introduced the argparse module for command line parsing, dictionary comprehensions, and several other improvements. Then the most settled version, Python 3.x, started its journey. So its first release was Python 3.0. Python 3.x, modernization and future proofing. Python 3.0, a major overhaul that was not backward compatible with the 2.x series. Python 3.0 aimed to rectify inconsistencies and remove redundant constructs. Key changes including print functions instead of print statements and a new integer division operator, which help avoid common errors. Then comes Python 3.4. The version introduced the asyncio module, which provided support for asynchronous programming. This was a significant enhancement for applications requiring concurrency and real-time operations. Python 3.6, a favorite among many developers. Python 3.6 brought formatted string literals, also known as f-strings. F-strings made string formatting more concise and readable. This version also introduced variable type annotations and the secrets module for secure token generation. Python 3.8 introduced assignment expression, the walrus operator, allowing variable assignment within expressions. This feature was designed to make code more concise and expressive. Then comes Python 3.9. Python 3.9 continued to refine the language with the new syntax, features like union operator, in-type hints, and improved dictionary operations, making type annotations more expressive and merging dictionaries simpler. Then comes Python 3.10 and beyond. Python 3.10 and subsequent versions continues to build on the language strengths, introducing features that improve performance, security, and developer productivity. Each new version is shaped by the needs and feedback of the Python community, ensuring that Python remains at the forefront of modern programming languages. So as of October 2023, the latest stable version of Python is Python 3.11.6. This version brings improvements in speed, performance, and new features, along with security patches and bug fixes. Conclusion: from its inception to the latest release, Python has grown from a simple scripting language to a robust, multi-purpose programming language used by millions of developers worldwide. Its evolution is a testament to the dedication of its community and the vision of its creator, Guido van Rossum. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your programming journey, understanding the history and progression of Python's versions can provide valuable insights into its capabilities and the reason behind its enduring popularity. That's all for this topic. See you in the next video.